Dippy, do you want to say hi to the vlog? Do you want to say hi to our fans, huh? Yeah, you want to say hi to our fans? You want to say hi to our fans, huh? Say hi. Say welcome back.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to take you on a trip to Dukes Falls. Dukes Falls is located up in northern Georgia, right outside Helen. There's a bunch of waterfalls up there, so you can really make a day out of it and go visit all of them. So it's a really great time, and I hope y'all enjoy.
Okay, so far we're out here and the trail is either paved or it's very clearly marked. And I found out, so it is a mile to the falls and then it's a mile back. So I was right, it was 2 miles round trip and we're out here.
Yep, it's not too bad of a hike. It's pretty
This seems
level.
a little less crowded, which is like really nice.
Yeah.
So. Okay, we are leaving Dukes Creek Trail. It's 2 miles.
Mm-hmm. The
The way is mostly flat. The way back was more uphill, but it was really like steady. Like it wasn't like really sharp at all. It's fun.
Yeah, definitely pretty sweaty out there.
A little sweaty.
It is.
I think it's about an hour total. There's like a little parking lot, and I think it would be nice in the fall when some of the foliage is dead, just so you could see the falls better, because there's this like really tall area and we could kind of see it, but like also not really. So I think that could be really cool when it's like the fall, you know?
Yeah, all the trees start dying and kind of clears up, because it did look really neat from what we saw, but we definitely
there are lots of dogs on the trail, so if you have a dog and you want to bring it, you can. If they don't get along with other dogs, there were quite a bit, so like I probably wouldn't bring them, just because I think that could be kind of an issue. But what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, all in all, felt like it was pretty good. It was definitely a little bit more strenuous than Anna Ruby Falls. Definitely more strenuous. It was longer and also just more.
I wouldn't really compare the two.
Yeah.
But the trail was not like a hard trail to hike. It was like very smooth, very cleared out. So like great for beginners, great for families. We saw a lot of families. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Comment below if you guys go there.
Yep.
Bye.
See y'all at the next one.